Hello, fellow creators and aspiring designers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we delve into the fascinating world of design with a spotlight on the incredible software that's been turning heads in the industry, Fusion 360. One of Fusion 360's standout features is its parametric design capability. Easily make modifications to your designs without starting from scratch. The timeline feature allows you to revisit and adjust every step of your design process. What sets Fusion 360 apart is its versatility. Whether you're into mechanical engineering, industrial design, electronics, or even architectural projects, Fusion 360 is your all-in-one platform. No need to switch between different tools anymore.